In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clickable button in Figma, a process that you can complete in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone fairly new to Figma, this guide will help you create functional buttons for your designs effortlessly. So let's get into the details and explore the steps to craft a clickable button. To begin, you'll want to open up Figma in your browser. Figma is a powerful collaborative tool used for interface design, and it's where we'll be building our button today. If you haven't yet, go ahead and log into your Figma account to access the home screen. Once you're logged in and on the home page, navigate to the design section. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to start creating your UI elements right away. Our next task is to create the base toggle UI for your button. To do this, you'll need to select the rectangle tool from the toolbar, draw a rectangle on the canvas which will serve as the base of your toggle switch. You can adjust the size and color as necessary to fit the theme of your project. This rectangle represents the overall area where your button will sit. With the base in place, it's time to create the circle knob, which will act as the movable part of the toggle. Select the ellipse tool from your toolbar and draw a small circle. Place this circle at one end of your rectangle. This simple shape will act as an indicator to show whether your toggle is on or off. As with the rectangle, ensure the circle's color and size are consistent with your design requirements. Now that you have both the base and the circle created, the next step is to group both shapes and frame them together. This combined entity will function as a coherent toggle button. To do this, select both the rectangle and the circle by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each shape. With both selected, right-click and choose the Group Selection option. Then frame the group by right-clicking again and selecting Frame Selection. Framing helps maintain the hierarchy and makes it easier to manage these elements as a single unit. And there you have it. You've just created a clickable button in Figma. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to incorporate actionable elements into your designs, enhancing the interactivity and functionality of your digital projects. As you practice and experiment with different styles, you'll develop an intuition for creating effective designs that communicate clearly and engage your audience. So feel free to explore further, try out different design variations, and improve your Figma skills. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.